breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
She's gonna go for a swim with your
Luna.
camera on.
Good girl. She just wanted to cool off a little bit.
The Moo-moo. Moo-moo, what you doing? Does she?
Yeah.
She likes smelling bushes. That's,
That's
Luna's
cool. There's like a
pastime, is
little
smelling
whirlpool.
bushes.
Yeah.
I'm not sure exactly what this tree is, but it smells good around it. Oh, beautiful. Hey, Seth's head. Well, this is much better. They've trimmed the hedges and you can actually see the river. Oh, what's this big building here? Not sure. Do you know what this building is up here?
I don't know. I think it's an inn.
Oh, like a hotel or an inn. Yeah.
Luna.
We're gonna continue on.
Over here. Come here.
Beautiful. So as you saw at the beginning of the video, a lot of board riders, surfers, whatever you want to call them, use places like this because they can stay in one spot. It's pretty neat. Also, kayakers use this as well. Alright, I guess we're going to continue on. The path keeps on going. Oh, they have some kind of seating up there. Yeah, definitely some seating up there. That looks... I like that up there.
The park with all the free music and stuff.
So Seth said that was the park with all the free music up there. Time to continue on. Oh, look at it. It's just lovely.
Are you kicking rocks at me?
No, my flip-flop did. Gets pretty fast looking here. Remember, there is a trail on the other side and a bridge that leads to it. What you doing, Moo-moo, huh? So the brush gets thick again. Well, not too thick. You can still see the water over there. There's the beautiful river. I really love this path. We're just going to continue on for a little bit longer. I'm really enjoying this path. I think Seth and Luna are still behind me. I think this is definitely one of the best trails that I've been on. A lot of nature sounds. Ooh, what's this coming up? Ooh. Want to do some rock climbing? Wow. It's not tall, so if you fell, you wouldn't really get hurt. Neat spot. So it seems like we are no... Ah! It seems like we're no longer by the river's edge. We're going uphill, because see, there's a bank there. And we've come further uphill. Oh, maybe this is the end of the trail. Is it? Are we at the end of the trail? Actually, I think we're at the end of this trail. That wasn't very long at all. Goes back up that way. We're just sitting on the bench enjoying our view. Do you want to see our view? Okay. There it is. Isn't that awesome?
She's trying to
What do
show
you
off
think,
again.
Luna? Do you think that's awesome? She's like got her big tongue hanging out. Blah, 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 blah. This view is so awesome. I love it. Oh, we're spinning around. Hello, people. You're getting a 360 view. Are you getting dizzy yet? I'm getting dizzy watching y'all. Alright, let's slow it down. Wait, that's not slow. Okay. Alright, we're slowing it down. I'm gonna give y'all a 360 view. Nice bench. Here we are sitting on it. There's Moo-moo in Seth's lap. Luna is smelling the bushes. There she is. And there is the beautiful river. Isn't this place awesome? Bye, awesome bench. I really will miss you. Alright, we're gonna head back.
Maybe you should really let me do a car on that gimbal.
For
That I would like to do some shots on.
what? Look at that. Isn't that awesome?
You always leave me. Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out.
So over the years, the river has changed its use. This is the Arkansas River, and it's been used for agriculture, recreational, energy, industry. There's been fishery, rafting, kayaking, so it has a lot of uses. So the big building I saw earlier is a hotel. It's called the Surf Hotel, and it is right by the river. That would be an awesome place to stay if you're into hotels. So it looks like it's about 3 stories tall. Wow. Top balcony, please. So right next to the hotel, I believe is also part of the hotel, is a cottage-like building. It is definitely part of the hotel. I think I would prefer the cottage with the balconies than the hotel. That is definitely cool. Has the terrace. Even has river access, although it is a bit steep to get to the river. See the chipmunk? Where'd the chipmunk go, Moo-moo? Where'd it go? I decided to come on the upper path to look at the hotel. I think Seth and Luna stayed down there on the lower path. But they meet up here, so I'm sure I'll see them. Right, Moo-moo? Right? What? Where's the Moo-moo? Alright, we came back to a path that leads down, so we're gonna take it. Alright, we made it back to the stairs. Time to climb, climb, climb. You go, Moo-moo. So Panda's right up here, not too far. That was an awesome, awesome walk. We just got back to base camp. It's windy. The wind just died down, but there was like a big, huge gust that came through.